What did I, dude? Alright. Smells like exhaust in here.
Sorry for scaring you earlier, man.
I'm gonna go see Kyle. Nah. You're calling who? Oh, yeah, no, I definitely want to say. So I talked to Ducati, and even though it's like 42 degrees out right now, they said that I can go and take a bike for a test ride. So I get to test out this awesome new audio setup while riding a bike that's not even mine. Bet.
Good to go. Be safe, okay?
I will. Not trying to mess it up today. Season's not even started yet. Really not trying to die yet. I'm gonna throw that shit in like rain mode.
Yeah. Up to you. Just come back in one piece.
I'm gonna try to. It'll be fun. Yes, sir. It's in sport mode. We're not gonna do that. Should we? Maybe we will. We will do it in sport mode. I'm gonna lie. Sorry, buddy. It's got a gas light. Fuck. I mean, I do need my wallet. Damn it. It's got a gas light, so. What?
Let me get some gas for you. Pull it around to the back. I'll put some gas.
Okay. Bet. Okay, never mind. He's gonna take care of it. Clutch is all the way out. Look at that, dude. Ducati taking care of me today. I don't even have to fill it up. That's so dope of him. Uh-oh. I feel a little bit of water. That's dope. I was about to pull out my wallet.
I mean, you still can, but you're just going to hand it to me.
Just leave it right there. It's fine. So this is actually my bike. I'm going to pick this up. Probably not today, but in fact, I should probably do a little bit of detailing this when I get back. But it's been a while since I rode a V2. Last time I rode one was way back when I owned one. I've actually never ridden the Streetfighter, so. Oh my God, it's been a while since I've ridden, man. Did this today. Hello. Yeah, I look like a fucking marshmallow man. I look like a marshmallow man because it's 40 degrees out and I'm fucking cold, bro. Okay, so currently I have 3 bikes. I have my Yamaha R1, I have a BMW S1000RR, and I have my Ducati V4. All of these bikes are extremely quick and extremely fast. Doing shit like this, like riding around with friends, that shit sucks, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What I've been doing all winter is I've been looking for like a medium, like streetable bike that I could ride. Kind of like this with no fairings on it that I can just whip around and not have to keep clean and literally put thousands of miles on it and not feel guilty about it. I don't know. I never really considered this bike to be a contender for doing that, but so far it's like not that bad. Very clickable. It's a very small feeling bike. And I've come to like Ducatis a lot after my experience with owning one and riding a few different variations. I actually just put down a deposit for another contender that I've had in my mind. The deposit is refundable, so it's not like permanent. It's not like a permanent thing I have to worry about. Fuck me, it's cold. The only thing about these types of bikes is it doesn't make you feel very special. I just feel like a normal fucking person right now, just driving around on a normal, boring bike. It doesn't have to be a Ducati. This bike could literally be anything else. I think the Panigale, if I were to go to the V2 route once more, even though I went from an R1 to a triple to... I'm sorry, I went from a V2 to a triple to an R1, it would kind of be backwards to go back around to a V2, but I feel like I'm in a very different spot than I was back then. This was back before I got monetized on TikTok. And so now I feel like I've like grown as a rider where like I can appreciate the V2 a little bit more. But I don't know, maybe this could just be like my dumbass talking to myself and I actually don't know what I'm fucking talking about. And I could be very disappointed once I get another V2. Who knows? Holy shit, it's fucking cold as God. Oh my God. Okay. I'm not gonna try cornering for shit, bro. These tires are probably ice. Ice cold. Holy shit, it's cold as fuck. See, like, a year ago, I would tell myself, why the fuck are you selling an R1? R1's like one of the coolest bikes of all time. But at the same time, I'm sitting in a position where the S1000 I know is a much better street bike, and the V4 is a much better, like, go fast and have fun bike. So I hit this, like, crossroad where, like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, man. I feel like I'm gonna sell the R1 and regret it for the rest of my life. Genuinely. Sometimes, on the other hand, you need to proceed without certainty. With all the decisions going on in my life right now, it's like, there's a lot going on with school and my personal life and my car not working the way I want it to. And it's just, there's a lot of things that I'm kind of confused about. And unfortunately, my bike ownership just happens to be one of those things. And it's just adding this whole new layer of like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing to like everything else I'm doing. Basically, this is just a roundabout way of saying this winter has sucked and I want it to be over already, and it's been over a month since I've ridden a motorcycle, and this is the first time I had a chance to, and it's not even my own bike. Because I don't know if you can tell, the roads are still kind of salty. I'm not taking my own bike out in this. Even a bike I'm about to sell, I don't want to take out in this, bro. I just like mental problems. I can't fucking do it. Even though the salt really like probably wouldn't do anything to the bike, it's like I literally can't wrap my head around it. I don't want to do it. So fuck that. Luckily, Ducati is like nice enough to let me take out one of theirs, and like they don't really give a fuck, so I appreciate them. Coolest motherfuckers in my life right now. Honestly, dude, way back is so much better than the way, like, away from the place I'm going. 'Cause it's like, at least I know that there's no eat at the end of the road. This is not so bad now that I'm, like, actually fucking going back. It's so fucking chilly out, though. Goddamn. Weirdly wet. Now, Ducati's not going to be the ones who are like, so you're going to buy it? Like, this is literally just like a free sanction test ride that literally anyone else can take. You don't have to be like me and, like, a small-time content creator. You can literally just go there and ride a bike whenever you want. It could be raining, it could be snowing, it could be like, you just gotta sign a paper that basically says if you break it, you gotta buy it, but like, if you don't break it, it's not really your problem. Quit worrying about things, bro. I know it sounds like a catch-22, but genuinely, don't worry so much, like, it's fine. It's actually not too bad around the city, but like I said, I just feel like so normal. I feel like the Panigale V2 wouldn't be that bad, but like this bike feels, oh, look at that, it says a little ice right there. Yeah, dude, there's ice out right now and I'm fucking riding. What the fuck? I can't believe that's even an option on here. It's even a concern that they've coded in. You little fucker. Oh, God. I can't wait to get back. I'm gonna fucking get some Chipotle or something after this, bro. Fucking cold. Hop back in my Civic, which is gonna feel like a fucking sauna. I miss my friends, bro. This sucks, riding alone. Fuck. Yeah, we'll get another Panigale V2, bro. And that's like, I told myself I never would. But like, under warranty, shit's covered. Like, what's the worst that could happen? This is not too bad, bro. Oh my God, there's another biker. You're another psychopath like me, bro. Yeah. What the fuck, bro? Why are we out here? Fucking 39 degrees out right now, bro. That's one top motherfucker right there. Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah, thank you Ducati Cleveland for letting me do this. Like, that was fucking cool of you. They didn't have to do this. I was literally just like, yeah, I'm bored. I kind of want to take out one of your bikes if you don't mind. They're like, yeah, dude, go for it. Please do. So like, and like I said, I'm not special, bro. You can literally come up here and fucking ride one of these bikes if you want to. You don't have to. There's no special stipulations or like anything wrong with it. If you feel like riding a bike, Ducati Cleveland, bro, it's fucking freezing out. There's salt on the roads and they're like, here's the keys. You can fucking do it, bro. I actually really like that. I don't think I would have one as an only bike or even as a bike like for myself. Oh, smoke in there. Okay, my bad. This color is fucking sweet though. I wish I had it for the Panigale V2, but whatever, man. This is the Diablo V4. I rode this in the summer. This was a lot of fun too, but oh my goodness, dude. I missed riding so much. I missed riding with my friends more than anything, and they're not here. It's just me and I'm talking to myself in a camera, which makes me feel a little bit less alone, but I'm still like fucking alone at the same time. So like, boys, if you see this, I miss you. Miss you a fucking ton. This shit fucking sucks, bro. I hate winter. It's gonna be still in the 40s all week and it's supposed to rain next week. I'm just like, I'm so over it, bro. Like, can we get some decent weather already? Which I know we won't. So, whatever. Y'all were lying. That felt great. No, I'm kidding. I'm fucking frozen, bro. My hands are red. I had fun. You had fun? Yeah. You rode today? Yeah. You're a fucking animal. Hey, Clint. Y'all lying. That wasn't that bad. Yeah. Let me grab another. I'm frozen, bro. My hands are like, huh? The multi-stratter with the heated grips. Do they have that? Well, do you guys have one as a demo? You do? Yeah, that old one. Do you want to ride it? No, I'll come back here next week with my buddies, but sure, you'll be warm. I call dibs on that one. I literally forgot to do the outro, so if you guys like this style of content, subscribe. I'm going to be trying to do a little bit more like this, but with my buddies next time, so maybe next time with the V4 too. So, yeah, bye.